right, guys, you just saw that amazing video, right? And guess what? I made it using a free AI tool. And the best part? You can create videos in any style you want, whether it's your favorite Ghibli style, realistic style, or cartoon style. Whatever style you like, you can create videos right here. And the most exciting part? This tool gives you access to powerful AI video models like the famous ones. I'm talking about Kling AI, Runway ML, and Zhipu. Yeah, all those big names. They're right here, ready for you to use for free. Sounds good. And not just that, you'll also get many other powerful AI features right here. Everything you need to make your videos look super cool, all in one place. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is check the video description. You'll find the link to this amazing tool right there. It's called Vidnoz AI, and trust me, it's super powerful. Whether you want to create avatars, generate AI voices, or make videos using AI, everything is available in one place. Now, once you're on their official website, all you have to do is click on Create Free AI Video. After that, just sign up using your Google account or any other platform. It's super easy and quick. Once you sign up, you'll get daily credits that you can use to create your own videos. It's all set up for you to start making awesome content right away. All right, now let's create our video on Vidnoz AI. First thing you'll see are two options, image to video and text to video. Let's try the image to video option first and create a video from our image. Now, simply upload your image here. Once your image is uploaded, the next step is to select your video model. You'll find all the models available, like Runway, Kling, Vidnoz, and Zhipu. Just click on the one you want. Next, I'll click on the Generate option. Once I hit that, the video generation will start. In just a few seconds, your video will begin, and the result will show up like this. Wow, just look at that result, such amazing quality. All right, let me upload another image here and generate the video again, just to clear up any confusion. Here, you can see the video we just created, and look at those awesome results. You can easily upload your image and convert it into a video like this. Okay, now let's try the text-to-video feature and see how it works. Simply enter the text you want for your video, based on whatever idea you're imagining. After that, select the model that you like best. Once you choose your model, pick the image ratio, and then choose a style. You'll find all kinds of styles, like anime, cartoon, and many more. Pick the one you like, or if you prefer, you can stick with the default style. Now, click on Generate Video, and your video generation will start. And look at the result. You can see how awesome the quality is. Everything is just as we mentioned in the prompt. It's truly a powerful tool. So whether it's an image or just some text, Vidnoz AI turns it into a super realistic, stylish video. And the best part, every video is 100% commercial free, so you can use it anywhere, even for business. No worries at all. All right, guys, we've covered the basics, and now you know how to turn images or text into videos using Vidnoz AI. But that's just the start. There's a lot more to explore. It's free for everyone. You get daily credits, and you can start creating videos every single day. So dive in and enjoy all the awesome tools it offers. To try out Vidnoz AI, just click the link in the description and the pinned comment. Sign up and start exploring. And hey, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one with another awesome tool. Till then, take care and keep creating. Goodbye.